I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to switch your phone number from Freedom to Rogers, follow these steps to make the process smooth and hassle-free. Step 1. Check eligibility. Before starting the porting process, ensure that your number is eligible for transfer. You can do this by contacting Rogers customer service or checking their website. Step 2. Gather information. Collect all necessary information, including your Freedom account number, PIN, and the phone number you wish to port. This information is crucial for a successful transfer. Step 3. Visit a Rogers store or website. Go to a nearby Rogers store or their official website to initiate the porting process. If you choose the website, look for the Port Your Number option. Step 4. Complete the porting requests. Fill out the required forms with your information and submit the porting request. You may receive a confirmation email or message once the request is processed. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. The porting process can take a few hours to a couple of days. Keep an eye on your email for updates. If you notice any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Rogers support. Remember, during the porting process, your service with Freedom should remain active until the transfer is complete. If you have any questions or run into issues, feel free to reach out for help. Good luck with your new service.